So Maddie had a dream. What was it about?
The witch scared her and she said, "Boo."
What? How long was the dream?
Huh?
What happened in her dream? Huh? What was Maddie dreaming about, honey? Michaela, what was Maddie dreaming about?
She was dreaming about monsters and witches.
What?
Yeah.
Oh, did she tell you that?
Yeah.
Oh my God. Is she okay?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Just looking at the mirror.
Let me see your lips. Oh, those look so pretty.
There's it. I'll do one more, then I'm done, okay?
Okay.
Are you willing to pay the price your freedom will cost?
All this talk about adventures really working at my appetite. This haggis stuff is great. What's that?
That's just a wee sheep stomach. It's delicious.
Sheep stomach? Bradley, you're braver than I am.
Disney Pixar's Brave is now playing in 3D.
Disney Channel Summer is back with Austin and Alan.
I can't believe you hired Dallas and not me.
Can I see?
Hired him on purpose.
Oh, pretty, pretty.
Can I look in this